Hi, welcome to Norton Support. In this video, you will learn how to install Norton Browser Extensions on Google Chrome. The Norton Browser Extensions include Norton Safe Search, Norton Safe Web, Norton Homepage, and Norton Password Manager. Norton Safe Search filters unsafe web results and ranks your results based upon the site safety status and lets you know if the sites are safe even before you visit them. Norton Safe Web defends you from identity thefts and online scams by warning you of dangerous sites while you search, shop, and browse online. It also provides safety information for every web page you visit. Norton Homepage helps you to enable Norton Safe Search as your homepage on your Google Chrome browser. Norton Password Manager enables you to securely store and manage all your sensitive information, such as your logins, personal information, and financial information. This information is stored in an encrypted vault that only you can access. You can then use this information to easily log into websites, fill online forms, and quickly make online payments. Now, let's see how to install these extensions from the Norton product. Open Norton Security and click Online Safety. From the browser drop-down menu, select Chrome. Now, click the Setup Now button. You are then redirected to the Browser Protection web page. Here, you will find options to install the Norton extensions accessible from the Google Chrome browser. We recommend you to install all the available extensions to maximize web protection. You can either click the Click to Add option below each extension or choose the Add All Norton Extensions option. You are then redirected to the Google Chrome store. Here, click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Follow the same procedure until you install all the extensions. Alternatively, if you do not have the Norton product installed on your system, you can install the extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Launch Chrome browser and go to chrome.google.com/extensions. Here, search for Norton Extensions. Install Norton Password Manager and Norton Safe Search extensions. There you go. You've installed all the Norton extensions on the Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.norton.com.